Hello, I am Julia, and this is Crazy Careers number 2, fishing. Here we go. Fishing, do do do. Fishing, fishing. Wait, I have to be quiet. A polar bear! Get us off of me! Do I have a scar? Yes. Are we done here? Done for the day.
No, I have one more thing.
Goodbye from Crazy Careers.
No, wait.
Goodbye from Crazy Careers.